Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income, and today we are going to take a look over Rothschild Winery. Now the people behind this miner also created Ruby Miner, if you heard of that. I also made a video on that one when that came out, so developers are the same. And before this miner, they also created Rothschild Winery on the Avax platform, and this one is on the Binance platform, and you can mine BNB here. So why they created Rothschild after creating the Ruby miner? Well, the fact is that Ruby miner failed after a few days of its launch. Although it is live and running up to this day, but it failed in a way that its total value logged drained drastically after a few days of launch, because there were many features that were missing from the contract, which allowed whales and early investors to take profits regularly and at a much quicker rate. So it drained the TVL drastically. Now this Rothschild Winery on Avax and BNB platform, this is pretty much community driven, and they have ironed out, fixed all the issues, and they have introduced many features and upgrades into this contract which will prevent its TVL from draining, and this project will be more sustainable than the Ruby miner. So in today's video we will take a look over these features and how this is a community driven project. So first, heading over to their Discord, they took a poll from their community at the time of creating this miner, and there are some few options and there is a community vote beneath it. So taking a look over to their features, they are offering up to 8% daily ROI, and there are 12% referral rewards, and the developer fee is 1% and 2% for marketing, so total of 3% fees. And there is a 6 times mandatory compound, which means you will have to compound at least 6 times before taking your rewards, which is basically following a 6:1 strategy. There is 24 hours compound timer, which means you will be able to compound one time a day, and there is a 99% hefty tax for early withdrawals, which means if you take out your rewards before completing the 6 times mandatory compound, you will be penalized with a 99% tax. And there is a 36 hours rewards accumulation cutoff, which means after 36 hours this miner will not generate any additional rewards for you, and you will have to take an action over your miner. Either you will have to sell your rewards or compound them in order to reset the timer to 0. Now it's an immutable contract. There are no external functions. They have been audited by Haze Crypto, which basically means nothing, and they are also offering daily lottery with BNB rewards. Now coming over to their dashboard, this is your initial deposit, which is the amount of BNB that you will commit over to the miner, and this is your total deposit, your initial deposit plus your compound bonus, which you will compound 6 days a week. It will be shown over here, and this is a withdrawn section, which will show you how much BNB you have withdrawn into your wallet, and these are your referrals. So what happens in these types of miners, you will come over here and you can deposit your BNB. The BNB that you will deposit here will be your sunk cost, which means you cannot withdraw it as it is. The only way you can get that back is through the daily rewards. So suppose if you deposit your 1 BNB over here, that 1 BNB will be converted into winemakers, and these winemakers will produce your rewards in the form of BNB per day. So the higher number of winemakers that you have, the more BNB rewards they will generate for you per day, and it will also show you your estimated daily yield. So guys, this is it. These are the features that they are offering into their Rothschild Winery BNB platform. So I think it's a pretty good upgrade from the Avax miner, and it will also help to sustain the TVL of this miner for a longer period of time. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.